What did you get me?
I kind of have something to tell you. Don't go away.
What?
So, Danny, I retired.
What?
Yeah, I retired, and work gave me a Blackstone Griddle as my retirement gift.
Wait.
No, guess what the surprise is?
Let's back up.
No. Guess what the surprise is?
I thought I was going to retire first.
No, I retired first. I've already done it. So, guys,
You gotta beat me in
I'm
everything.
retired. I got to beat him in everything. So, the surprise is, it's in a lot of pieces, and you get to put it together.
So you retired, I keep working, and I got extra work.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
And then you'll cook us something?
No, I think it's the man's job to grill and not the woman's. Ladies, if you agree with me that it's the man's job to grill, put it in the comments below.
So, I keep working, I got to put it together, and I've got to cook?
Yeah, and I really think you need to stop whining about it too, and get busy.
I'm going to show you today how to put this 22-inch Blackstone Adventure Griddle together, and the stand, and she got some great tools to also. Stay tuned, because we're also going to show you how to break them in to make sure they don't rust.
But before we get started on that, take a quick minute, hit the subscribe button.
Hit that notification bell, because we've got a lot of great videos lined up just waiting for you to see, and you won't want to miss one of those.
Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos.
And if there's someone that you know that's into the RV lifestyle, share this video with them, because they're going to want to know a little bit about that Blackstone grill that I got.
But for now, get busy. Dinner's not too far out.
So, the great news about this Blackstone is it's 95% put together, so we won't have to do too much. First thing I did want to show you on the stand, it does have knobs to the legs that you can have it short as it is now. This is as short as it goes, and we'll extend the legs out to where it's a taller table. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure that you get a picture of the underside of your Blackstone. That's where our registration information, such as a model number and a serial number, it was on the very bottom. So it's probably easier to do it before you get to cooking, before you get seasoning it. So make sure you take time to get your information you'll need to register your product, because it does have a 1-year warranty which covers replacement parts, and you'll need that information along with a proof of purchase such as a receipt. As I said, the great news is this grill is about 95% put together. So that is the great news. It's going to be real easy to put together. It does give you instructions where you can how to take it apart if you ever need to replace parts. It does come with 11 parts that we'll just put together. Should be quick and easy. The next thing I'm going to do is just place the burner section onto the actual stand. One of the simple things I had to do first was put the legs, 4 legs, on the bottom of this burner assembly, and then it's going to fit right into these holes. There's 2 holes on either side, so we'll do that. So as we said, the legs fit right into the stand, so it fits snug. It's basically one piece now, but you can still pick it up and take it off. Next thing we're going to put on is this side shelf. As my friend Tracy says, it's always good to have a side shelf. And that just snaps on nice and easy. Like I said, this thing's 98% put together.
You like my grill?
I like my grill.
It's gonna be my grill.
Next thing I want to show you is on the bottom of this is got 4 pins. These 4 pins will go onto that burner assembly. See these slots here? You can show them those now. And the front ones have
1, 2, 3, and 4.
And you notice the 2 front ones have you slide back so it'll kind of lock in. So we're now putting on the flat grill itself. We'll slide it back a little bit.
This one's not in.
Yeah, there
It's got to come up. Oh, it is? It sets up like that?
Yeah.
Oh. Voila! What time's dinner going to be ready, Danny?
We'll have to burn it in, so you'll have to burn it in 3 or 4 times, so that's going to take a little bit of time. So it might be tomorrow before you eat.
No. Tonight.
So the next thing we'll do is just put this handle on, and we are getting close to getting this done. The other thing I did that I didn't show you, simple grease tray with liners. That was a nice touch. Should be able to get those through Blackstone or through Amazon. Look for a link below in the description. So we now have the Blackstone put together. Real simple, easy assembly. Like I said, it was 95–98% put together. It's a good looking grill. Just wanted to point out we do have 2 regulators. You notice the small regulator is for the small green canisters, in case you were carrying this someplace and just need a small tank. And then the standard larger white tank that you might use on your grill at home, that regulator would go with that. So it does give you a choice of using either type of propane. So you could use either one. Alright, I've been seasoning the grill, and this is what most people forget to do. Not everyone reads the directions. I'm kind of a person that always likes to read the directions, but you need to make sure you season your grill 3 to 5 times. And what it takes is a tablespoon of oil, and then you're just going to take the your paper towels and just spread it around. This is the 5th time. It says do it 3 to 5 times. Of course, I had to do it 5 times just to make sure. But one of the #1 complaints about a Blackstone is they tend to rust. But that's usually user error, where they forget to season their grill like they're supposed to. So don't forget to get your sides, your front, and the back. Make sure you get the corners. And this is going to smoke. And we've done this, like I said, this is the 5th time. So once it stops smoking, it'll be done and be ready for us to cook on. Woohoo! Make sure you take time to season your grill. And just with that tablespoon of oil. And there's a chart based on if you have a larger grill than mine. You notice how I said mine, Lynn?
Yeah. It's my grill.
So, and you're just going to do it and let it continue to cook until the smoke stops. So guess what? Now we're getting to try out this Blackstone. Got some bell peppers with a little olive oil, some onions. I'll let you guess what we're going to cook. We'll give you hits as we go along. If you're looking, our next ingredients is shaved ribeye. Have you figured out what we're cooking yet? With the grilled onions, the grilled peppers, and shaved ribeye. Smelling good. So it's been a good afternoon with the Blackstone, getting it ready, getting it seasoned in. That is the secret. Make sure you season it. Follow those directions. As you can see, it's well worth it. We got some Philly cheesesteaks with some grilled onions and grilled peppers and some shaved ribeye. It is going to be good eating. Wish you were here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, because we got some great videos coming out that you're going to want to see.
God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV America.